Hey YouTube, thanks for watching, thanks for coming back. On our last video, we showed you guys the install from some Chevrolet Performance parts, and we're going to keep that theme going and show you guys some of the headaches that comes with upgrading your vehicles. Some Baja kits for your Zr2, some BMS off-road for your Raptor, and some custom fabrication stuff for our Raptor, along with some bonus footage of some Tundras and some Tacomas. Just letting you guys know that no matter what you do to your truck, you might have problems, and it's not a great idea to go off-roading hard once you get your truck back. First up is Hector's Diesel Zr2. It's got a suspension from Baja Kits. It's the first time they've done it sprung under. Check out the leaves. It had a failure later on, but they figured it out. They sorted it out already, so your results shouldn't be the same.
Can't get a camera in here. It's too tight.
Also, that's Steven. We were lucky enough to have an awesome drone pilot to get you some cool side-by-side shots of our stock Zr2 running some mini whoops next to this Zr2. So at the time of filming this, we hadn't installed the upper control alarms or the leveling kit on our Zr2. All we have is a tire size upgrade from Nokian tires. But I ran it next to this eroded section right here that acted as mini whoops just to show you guys what a stock Zr2 can do next to a Baja kit Zr2.
They just gotta center it right. It's falling off the axle.
So once Hector noticed the problem, we ended up calling it a day, but like I said, this is the first time they did that. They got it all sorted out now, so we're not promoting, we're not shaming, they're just figuring it out. But that's why, when you got something new, you're the guinea pig, so take it easy when you first go out.
It could have been on the whoops. Probably the whoops. I got all that on camera too.
And this was another day that also got cut short. We went shooting and then recording a little bit later, but yeah, we didn't make it. This particular 4Runner is all dialed in now, but early in its build history, a sheared bolt caused the shock to fall off, bump into that CV, broke his rack, all that stuff. Also, there's a Tacoma that showed up later here that had some problems with the speed sensor line. Just wasn't addressed right, it got pinched or torn, and his ABS light came on, whatever, he was fine.
What happened here, fool? Sam can't resist the fancy gun. Sweet, huh? If you guys want to drift around the corner, I'll record you guys. They beat it!
And then of course, like clockwork, it happened again. Another day was cut short, but this one was long because of the trail repair. Tim drove down in his 2017 Raptor. We're gonna showcase his BMS kit for you guys, installed by Westside Off-Road Group. So we started light. We went on the baby whoop section where you guys saw Hector's truck, but then we continued scouting and I took us through a section that needed 4x4, and that ended up showing a weak point that should have never made it past the installation point.
Your shit's dusty. Like it. You got a radio? You're good over here. This trunk, you got plenty of room. Now turn. Perfect. Hold that angle. You can straighten out, yeah. Not so much, yeah, perfect.
Yeah, okay, driver, keep coming.
You're good.
There you go, just watch your ass in too.
Yeah, watch your back on that.
You're good on that.
You got about 4 feet.
Going a little more.
Like a 1.5 foot. You're good, you're good. Yeah, he's giving you real conservative directions, don't worry.
Oh, go.
Turn right. More right, more right.
Stop, wait. Slow, very slow, yeah. Yeah, come on.
Watch your ass, watch your ass. Hey, is he gonna rub? Turn passenger. Damn, look at that. Why you gotta hurt all our feelings? Do you even need a spotter?
No.
Wow. Yeah. You got some stripes, bad ones, or? Will they come out or no?
So Eris had no problem going through that section, of course. We didn't either because our size. Felt bad for the big trucks, but whatever. There was another section up ahead where we did need 4x4, and that's where the problem showed up. We snapped one of Tim's axles and the other one just bent, but thankfully we had just finished recording the install process for the upper control arms for the Chevrolet Performance part, so I was able to do the field repair quick. I had all the tools, I knew what I was doing already. But check out the failure. Tim's still waiting on his proper heat-treated axles. Westside Off-Road Group just kind of slapped these on. It looks like they just welded an extension on the stock axles, and I don't know what they were planning on, but it didn't work at all. And since we're talking about builds gone wrong, remember this guy? That's our Gen 2 Raptor. That's the truck that started this channel. It's gonna be 2 years in January already. We sent it off to get a full build by Robbie Woods. He's a great builder, an awesome designer. He's built in a lot of very unique designs into this truck. It's got aluminum cabs, so it's very hard to do the cage, and he went above and beyond and is doing a recessed cage. And like I said, not only has it taken forever, it's over budget too, but the great thing is he's working at a pace now that we can bring you guys updates every video. So stay tuned because the truck should be done before the end of the year. We had a pretty good reason for going with the full build back then. The honest truth is I was pretty ignorant. I was uneducated about the kits. There wasn't much knowledge out there. I was just hard on the truck, and I wanted something that was going to take the abuse. And since all these small operations don't really have the money or the time to just do research and development, proper torture testing, all that stuff, I didn't know what I was getting myself into. So I wanted a one and done package. Just putting it out there so you guys can see that there's no shortcuts. If you're going to build up your truck, it's going to take some trial and error. It's going to take some headaches. You're going to go gray. You might go broke. So since the point of our channel is to help you guys out, learn from our mistakes, and just prepare for the worst and hope for the best. On our next video, I'm going to install the ball spline half shafts from Chevrolet Performance, and keeping in theme with this video, it's nice that they did the torture testing, the research and development, so you can just slap them on and have fun. I'll make the install as easy as possible for you guys. So again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. I'll put links to everybody, and like always, no matter what you drive, no matter where you are, just keep it dirty.